Today I am making one of my favorite meals because it is so versatile. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It turns any picnic into an elegant affair, and it's so easy, simple, and delicious to make. One of the reasons I love this recipe is because I usually have everything I need to make it on hand. It is a quiche. I used to be afraid to make quiche because it sounded like it was going to be really challenging to make until I lived in France about 10 years ago, and there was quiche everywhere, and I fell in love with this delicious meal, and I've been making it ever since. It has become one of my family's staples. We make it at least twice a month, which is why it's one of my recipes in my cookbook. The Calm Kitchen is a 4-week meal plan filled with simple meals all under 500 calories. You can learn more about the cookbook in the link below. The first thing I start with is a no-roll pie crust. One of my favorite things about making the no-roll pie crust is that I can make this right inside of the pie tin. And you just press the dough to shape the pie tin or whatever you're using to bake your quiche. I'm using a cast iron because that is what I have available. And we cook the pie crust for about 10 minutes. And while the pie crust is baking, we start on making the egg mixture. So, the secret ingredient to make a quiche very light and fluffy is a lot of milk and cream. Simply add your favorite fresh herbs. I have some parsley growing out on my windowsill, so I'll be using that. A secret ingredient, and that is a little bit of nutmeg, shredded cheese, simply pour it into the pre-cooked pie shell. And place it in the oven for 30 minutes. can tell this is going to be a very fluffy quiche. Look how much it has risen. I like to pair my quiche with a little side salad with some homemade dressing. I can't wait to have this today for lunch. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day, my friend.